Well, hello there, friends. Went to the fishmonger today and I saw this beautiful salmon. I decided I'm going to do something fun with it, and I'm doing it. We're going to make a beautiful carrot puree. We're going to put underneath, and on top of it, we're going to put the perfectly seared salmon, and we're going to make this amazing tarragon and shallots cream sauce. So easy to make. You're going to love it, I promise you. I got a little broccolini with it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell, friends. Stay tuned. We're making the perfectly cooked salmon. Okay, friends. Well, this is like quick. You're at the fish market. You see some beautiful salmon. Let me make a quick little recipe. Easy. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in there. I'm using fleur de sel because I love fleur de sel. It's a beautiful salt to put on a fish. And we're gonna put a little bit of the black pepper, and then we're gonna pop it in a fry pan with some clarified butter, because so it won't burn. Clarified butter won't burn. When you put it in the oven, you're not sure how long it's gonna be in there. You don't want to burn it. If you don't have clarified butter, friends, you don't have clarified butter, you haven't been on our channel for a while. You need to check out the video over there and make clarified butter if you have the time. If you don't have the time, use a good cooking oil, okay? And you'll be perfectly fine, all right? Now, the fish is going to be fine. You could actually do it with a beautiful olive oil because it doesn't have a high smoke point, but it works fine with fish. Then we're going to put whole butter in here because we're going to make a little sauce. Very simple sauce. Friends, a child could do it. This is like, you're not going to believe it. You're going to say, Mama mia, he's making things that are very simple. Little shallots, if you got them. If you don't have them, use onion. Huh. It'll be perfectly fine. If you guys don't like it, then you make it with onion, then or go eat somewhere else. Nobody's going to complain, I promise you. All right, so look. Let's see what we got here. I'm looking for about 350. I got it. 350, 360. And I'm going to put my fish down. The side that I'm going to serve the fish always goes down first. The pretty side goes down first. Always remember that. I don't care what fish you're making. The side you're going to serve the fish goes down first. Now you're going to say, why do you use regular butter here and clarified butter here? Because here, I'm going to be here the whole time. This is not going in the oven. I'm going to be right here. As soon as my sauce, my shallots are ready to go, I'm going to put a little wine in there, a little bit of garlic, and it's going to be perfectly fine. So I'm here. I'm watching it. This guy is going to go in the oven, and when it's in there, I don't know how long exactly it's going to be in there. I don't want to overcook it, that's all. I don't want to burn butter. I hate burning butter. I have a little tarragon. You know, tarragon is my favorite herbs. I love tarragon, so I have it right there. I'm going to use it for the sauce. Very simple sauce, friend. A child could do this, okay? Just a little tarragon. You don't have tarragon, you could use thyme, or you could use sage. It's better tarragon, but if you don't have it, you don't have it. A little wine here, friends. A little wine. We're going to make a little wine reduction. So we're going to let it go. Use a Chardonnay. I'm in the mood of... lately, let me get a spatula, friend. I'm in the mood lately of a little sweeter wine, so I'm using a Gewürztraminer. I love to cook with it. I don't necessarily like to drink it all the time, but right now I'm in that mood. What are you going to do, huh? So, the sauce is reducing. The wine is reducing. Let's check the fish to see if it's pretty. It's probably not pretty enough yet. We're going to give it a few more minutes. Let's put a little more salt on the other side. Let's a little more salt on the other side. And then we're going to put a little bit of black pepper. This is very simple, friends. Let's see. I want a beautiful color. I'm going to reduce my heat. Let's see what I got. Yes, I am beautiful. I'm beautiful. I love when I say that. Here we go. Now, what I'm going to do, friends, I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to wait to put this guy in the oven for a few minutes. Just wait for a few minutes. If you're going to do this in advance, which you can if you have a dinner party, you can do this in advance, but take it out of there if you're not ready to eat yet. And when you're ready to eat, see, you take it. Here's what you do. I'll show you, friends. Let's say you want to make this a little bit in advance, so when your guests come in, You don't have to stress being in the kitchen too much. You take it, hold it right there. Because if you were to continue putting it in here the whole time, if you're going to wait a little while, it's going to cook it too much. So we don't want to do that, right? So we're going to relax. We put this in the oven, in the same pan, because it's an oven-proof fry pan. When I'm ready, I'll put it in. It's going to be in the oven maybe 5-6 minutes, so you have to be ready. All right? So now, friends, while the wine is reducing, we're doing a wine reduction. It's very simple. The stew smells amazing with a tarragon. It's just amazing. Put a little garlic in there, just a little bit. I want it in the background. I don't want to be in the foreground, which means I want to be delicate. Right, delicate. All right? Now, we're going to put this in here like this. And then we're going to put a little cream. I mean, how simple. Let the wine reduce at least by half when you do it, okay? I'm going to serve this with a carrot puree. Why not? Carrot puree. You know, carrots, they're not fancy. And sometimes you wonder, what was it? Carrot and peas. We used to, carrots and peas. Oh, you know what? Let me not talk so much. I'm going to put cream. And I forgot to take the cream out, but that's okay. I got it right here, you see. Well, I'm going to put a little bit of cream in here, friends. And then we're going to let that reduce, and we're going to finish it up with butter. I mean, how simple was that, right? You have to admit, my friends, that it's very simple. Remember, when you cook with heavy whipping cream, you don't need to worry about the cream splitting on you. It's only when you're working with light cream or half and half or thing like that. Heavy whipping cream, you can cook it for 3 days. It's going to thicken, but it's not going to break on you. All right, the carrots. Friends, the carrots, what I did is I poached them in chicken stock. You see, let me show you. Let me get a ladle so you can see it. I poached them in chicken stock, friends. You see, look, chicken stock, not water. Because they're going to absorb some of that. So instead of absorbing water, which we know tastes like nothing, they are absorbing chicken stock, okay? And they're cooked until they're soft. But we don't need that chicken stock. So you're going to say, what do I do with chicken stock? Well, you're going to save it, friends. Yeah, you're going to save it. Now you have a chicken stock, then it's got carrot flavor. Extra carrot flavor. Nothing wrong with that, right? We put carrots in so many vegetables. So you strain it, and boom, goes back in the freezer. Goes back in the freezer. Goes back in the freezer, however long you want. If you don't need it right away, you put it in there, and you may want to put carrot chicken stock, a little more flavor there. All right, look, guys, I'm going to flavor this. Okay, I got enough garlic in here right now. You know what I love with carrots is a little cumin. Trust me, a little cumin in there, it's fantastic. Just a little bit now. Remember, cumin is best if it's where in the background. Never in the front, always in the back. So we're going to put a little bit of salt. Now, if your carrots are sweet or not so sweet, you can put a little bit of honey in there or a little bit of maple syrup in there, okay? But if they're nice, all you need right now is butter. Everything in here is going to need butter, my friends. All right? Everything in here is going to be butter. Let's see how the sauce is doing. The sauce is doing great. All right? Our carrot puree is going to be doing just fine. So you know what I'll do now? I'll take my fish, friends, and I put it back in the oven. And I'm going to let it cook for just a few minutes. How you like it cook? It's a matter of opinion. I like mine to be about 120, 130. Let's see how we're doing in the carrots. Let's see how we're doing with the carrots. See, the carrots are looking good. We're going to process them a little more. And all they need at that point, friends, is butter. We're going to process them. I want them to be very, very, very smooth, okay? Very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. And you see the moisture in it is chicken stock, so it's going to be delicious. All you need is butter. All right, we're going in the oven. 375, my oven is ready to go. Oh, wow. I don't know what happened here to this thing. Oh, wow. It makes a lot of noise. All right, friends. I'm going to finish this. I'm going to get this ready in a bowl. We're going to add some butter to it. And the sauce is ready. You see? The sauce is perfectly fine. I have some broccolini flour. broccolini. Oh, let me get some olive oil right here. I got a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to saute some broccolini. I poached the broccolini, the floret of the broccolini. I'm just going to put it in here, and we're going to serve that next to it. Nothing, so remember, the broccolini is cooked. I'm just sauteing it really quick at the last minute right now. It's quick, it's cooked. You can do broccoli, broccolini, you could do spinach with that dish, it'd be delicious also. Just really quick, eh? All right, a little salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper right there. Fish is in the oven. We're doing good, friends. All right. Here's what we're going to do, friends. I'm going to finish. Let's put the butter in there. Let's put the butter in the carrots puree. Let's put some butter in here right there. Yeah, don't be afraid now. And you know what we're going to do also, friends? We're going to put a little bit of, I had some chopped parsley. There, here you go. I wanted to put some chopped parsley because I love a nice chopped parsley. Broccolini, just a little bit more olive oil. And that's all I got in there. That's all I need. The sauce is looking good, and we'll turn the heat off. Well, looking very good. Smells amazing like the tarragon in there. Let me put the carrots. Just a couple of pearls with the butter. And then we're going to put the parsley. And we're going to have this beautiful carrot puree. Broccolini is hot. Turn it off. Sauce is good. All right, friends. I'm going to put this in a bowl. I'm going to wait another 2 or 3 minutes for the fish to be ready, and then we're going to plate it together, okay? I'll be back in a minute. Okay, friends, I'm going to take the fish out. Remember, friends, take something out of the oven, because that fry pan don't look hot, but it is hot. All right, so now we're going to finish everything with butter. I'm touching myself. What's the matter with me? I don't know. Look, friends, little butter, okay? Don't be shy, okay? But remember, the heat got to be off. The heat has to be off. Okay, when you do this, otherwise your butter is going to separate, my friends. All right? Yeah, now we're talking. You see how beautiful that is? And it smells so amazing. All right. So now, I got to put butter in the carrots. We should have called it the butter salmon, right? The butter salmon. But you know, I mean, you don't have to put all that butter if you don't want to, but you know, it's good for you, so don't be afraid. And see, it's hot enough that it'll melt. And it's still going to be liquid, though. Okay, so this is still a liquid puree. And that's what we want. It's more like a sauce, if you will, you see? It's the minute you poach them, remember now, the beautiful thing is the liquid is a beautiful chicken stock. So for those of you that don't are vegetarian, well, pescatarian, I should say. Because if you're vegetarian, you're not going to eat salmon. But if you're a pescatarian, that means you eat fish. You can certainly do that. All right, so now look, guys, very simple. Eh? We're going to take that sauce right there. Very good. Done. Let me put that this way. Let's take a ladle. Let's take a sauce of carrots, and then we're going to take it. We're just going to put it on the plate. Nothing fancy. We're just going to take it just like this. Delicious. We're going to take our fish. Where is my spatula? I was going to say lock the door. We don't have to. Ooh, don't break the fish, please. Don't break the fish. So, we're going to put it, let's put it right here. Why not? We're going to put it right on the sauce, but I think I like it just like that. Doesn't matter how you put it, wherever you want to put it. Let's finish the sauce. Let me get another spoon. Boy, I made a mess today, friends. Normally, I'm a little more organized than this, but today I made a huge mess. Wow. That's okay because it's going to be delicious. We're going to take and we're going to put the sauce right on top of it. And the sauce is going to be so happy right on top of it, friends. Beautiful. And we're going to take our broccolinis, close the drawer, get the broccolinis, and we're going to put around our, there you go, or however we want to put them in. So it gives us a little color on the plate. And my friends, that's all I'm going to do for today. Very simple dish, eh? Quick, 5 minutes, little salmon. We're now going to take a fork and we're going to eat it. Let me take this out of the way. And right here, my friends, look at this, it's gorgeous. Look, very simple, cooked to perfection. In the sauce, you grab the sauce, you grab the carrots. Wow. Wow. The tarragon, my friends. Look at the fish. Look at it, it's beautiful. That's beautiful. It's flaky, it's gorgeous. And here you get a bite of this beautiful sauce. Then, you grab the sauce and the carrots at the same time. The carrots becomes part of the sauce because they feel the same in your mouth. Friends, this is a winner, and it's so simple. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, friends. It's delicious. Wow. Wait until you taste that one. Wow. The whole thing together is a winner. Oh. What do you think? It come out good.